Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And then today we are going to be unboxing the CMF Watch Pro 2. Shout out to my wife who picked it up for me. And so, yeah, I pretty much upgraded from the original CMF Watch Pro, which I gotta say, this is actually a pretty good device. Um, and so now, compared to this watch, obviously there are some differences. And yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and take a deep dive into it. But first off, we're going to get in with the unboxing video for you guys. So let's get started. All right. So the package pretty much came in, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and get ready to unbox this. I'm really excited for this. Um, my wife knew that I wanted to get the second version. So we're going to tear into the box here. Let's get this all cut up. Um, Ordered it through Amazon. So, you know, yeah, only took a day to get here. But anyways, so I can say this about the CMF watches. I think the thing that makes me gravitate towards them more than anything is just how good they are. They totally remind me of the Pebble smartwatches from the past. And so here we have the box in itself. It says Watch Pro 2 up front. A little bit different packaging from the Watch Pro 1. The Watch Pro 1 came in like a very flat um, packaging, while this is in a box, which, on the side, basically talks about the design. It's got a aluminum alloy watch body with interchangeable bezels, 1.32-inch AMOLED display with auto brightness adjustments. Got 100 plus watch faces, 24/7 all around health monitoring, 120 sports modes, GPS built in. You could take calls from it with Bluetooth, and it's got about 11 days battery. So it says, we're going to go ahead and tear into the box here. And I don't want to destroy the packaging, so I'm being just as careful as possible as I can be trying to get this open. And yeah, there we go. So we got it open. Let's go ahead and take the contents out, see what's inside the box. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be the watch. It's going to be like a proprietary charging cable, because it does not use Type C, does not use a hockey puck style or anything like that. I'm pretty sure it has about the same proprietary watch charging cable as the Watch Pro 1. But there you have it. It's inside this little cradle that's protecting it. Underneath it, it has a box that looks like holds the charging cable and some booklets for, information. And yeah, let's take the watch out and take a look at it. I think it looks pretty good. It's pretty light though. For those who want to know about the weight of the watch, it's pretty light. The watch band feels pretty nice. Um, it's not rigid and, tough or anything like that. So that's a good thing for, it being comfortable on your wrist. And we tear into the little mini box here. And like I said, it's got the charging cable. Um, so I'll take a look at that. Yep, it's proprietary. So I'm pretty sure I can use the same charging cable as the Watch Pro 1. But anyways, um, taking a look around, it's got a nice feel to it. If people want to talk about like a cold metal field seems premium to them, then I guess this fits in that category. The display looks really nice, and that was a quick boot up. Already geared up to get things set up. So I already have the CMF Watch Pro paired to my Nothing Phone 1, which is my main daily driver device, and I have the CMF Watch app installed on this phone. So I'm going to try and see if I can just install the Watch Pro 2 and see how that looks. So let me see. There we go. Got the app open, and we'll begin pairing. And let's see if it's got like a seamless pairing mode or anything like that. That would be pretty interesting. So I do got to turn on Bluetooth. I totally forgot to do that. So let's get Bluetooth turned on, and we'll see what happens once we turn on Bluetooth. And right there, pops up. Seamless. Says wants to connect to the Watch Pro 2. So let's go ahead and do that. And you guys can see that the Watch Pro 1 is still bound and able to connect. However, it's powered off right now, so I don't think it's going to interfere with anything. Like the watch is powered off. Um, there we go. So, oh, we can. It is Bluetooth pairing connecting to the Watch Pro 2. I'll accept the request. And yeah, this is so far pretty easy setup. I have no complaints there when it comes to the setup of the Watch Pro and the Watch Pro 2. They've been very, very easy to set up. And of course, there's not a whole lot to the CMF Watch Pros, whether it's the Pro 1 or the Pro 2. They use proprietary software, so they're not using Wear OS or anything like that. So I would say, to anyone out there, just from experience with the CMF Watch Pro 1, that if you are looking for a watch where you can install a bunch of apps, if you want like a dedicated Facebook app or anything, these watches aren't going to be for you. But they do got some pretty nice. Oh, wow, this actually has more watch faces than the first generation Watch Pro. So some nice ones here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just look through them a little bit later though, and just see which ones that I absolutely want. And you can have up to 5 watch faces installed on the watch at a given time, and you can always switch in between. Plus, it's got, I guess you could consider a custom watch face builder, which is really just using like your own wallpaper, and it gives you like the time and date. That's about it. I really wish that the proprietary software would include the ability to just add, like the battery life, your step counter on a customized watch face. But they do have some pretty nice looking watch faces. I have to give it that, and the different genres they have, whether it's digital or analog or any of that. So, yeah, let me go ahead and get this on, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, so that's my little unboxing experience with the CMF Watch Pro 2. Now, I've had it on since last night, and I've been, looking and seeing what it's able to do. I haven't tested phone calling from it, but I will a little bit later when my wife gives me a call because she's at work and when she goes to lunch, she likes to give me a call in her lunch break and pretty much, just shoot the shit for a while. So I'll test out the calling feature on this watch, but I do gotta say that it is a really, really nice watch. I like the way that it feels. It's a little bit different though. I wish it kind of like had like this band right here. I might try to see if I can take the band off of the Watch Pro and switch it onto the Watch Pro 2. I mean, I would think that they would fit. At least I think that they would. So, anyways, as far as like the crown dial and everything like that, it's functional. It works. It works just great. Actually, I'll take the watch off so I can show you guys a little bit. I like the animations on the watch. I think they're actually pretty cool. So yeah, let's go back. And if I was to, click on that, I mean, you got this nice haptic feedback as you're scrolling, and the animations look really good on this watch. I really like it, and I think that CMF by Nothing did a pretty good job. Of course, all these are like natively built into the watch itself, which I think is something that they should have done with the original watch. There's a side button on the Watch Pro first gen, but it's not a crown that interacts. Um, yeah. So, anyways, as I am going to place this back on my wrist, you know, the watch faces, they're pretty nice. The watch in itself, I think, I mean, I need more time to really kind of deep dive, but so far, everything that I'm wanting out of a smartwatch, it is providing me. So I am getting my notifications, and I'm not having any issues at all so far, as far as getting notifications on the watch from my phone, and it tracking my sleep, my step, and all those things. It's doing it. I haven't seen like any inconsistencies or any issues as it trying to do those things. So big ups on that. And even the little bezel here, which you can actually take off. You can just you know twist it counterclockwise to get it off, and you can buy like a different one and put it on there to kind of change the look of it. It's real easy to put it back on. Simply, you just align where, like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but right up here, it does say like CMF, like right up here. And if you align that with the 7 o'clock, kind of like if you think of where 7 o'clock would be, if you align that with that area, you should be able to place it back on and then twist up till you hear a click and it's on. So there's like not a lot of different bezel um, covers, I guess you can say, but I can clearly see like if CMF really wanted to just add more to this, I guess they call it a modular watch, which I don't know. I think that they could actually make a killing if they made more bezels that had built-in screen protectors that you can just click on. That would be so dang cool. Or if a third-party company that builds screen protectors for smartwatches would build one for the CMF Watch Pro 2 that has a built-in screen protector that you can overlay, twist, and click to secure it, that would be pretty cool. But that's for the full review video. Right now, this is just an unboxing and first impressions, and I'm really, really impressed by the watch in itself, and I really like it. It's comfortable, fits great on my wrist, and the touch display is responsive. The AMOLED display, the blacks are deep. Um, but I mean, I'll go more of that in the review video. This is just, like I said, an unboxing and first impressions. So if you guys enjoyed the unboxing and first impressions, do me a solid, smash the like button. I truly appreciate that, and share this on various different social platforms. Um, but until next time, thanks for watching, and as always, aloha. I hope you guys enjoyed this little camera one, camera two thing. I don't know. I'm playing around always with videos. I'm just trying to make videos better, at least for you guys, to some degree. So let me know how you guys thought of this video format.